The goal of this project is to understand how the kind of chemical or biological or physical health of soils, and whether we have things we as scientists can go out and measure in a field that will help farmers or end users, land managers, whoever, understand what's actually happening in the soil. It's kind of one of those questions that seems super basic when a layperson maybe asks it, like obviously you just go and measure it and then you understand it. But the purpose of this project is to actually improve that, because a lot of the things that we measure in soil are just based on maybe something 50 years ago that was easy to measure, and maybe that means like a lot of the things we measure are just because that's the easiest to measure, not because it's the most accurate.
People normally think of soil performance indicators for agriculture and for farming, but in actual fact, indicators are broader than that, because indicators are also used to determine the value of the land, or the state of environment reporting, or whether or not a soil has been misused or eroded away in the past or something like that. So indicators are very broad and very, very varied.
So it's easy to see what poor soil health is, but it's difficult to measure what good soil health is, and that's why we need indicators. So the CRC is all about trying to find good indicators, indicators that really tell us something about the system.
So when we're looking at this particular scoping study, one of the things that we've learnt about it is that there are lots of different indicators that people would like. So there are indicators that are, sure, a lot of indicators for farming, but there are also indicators for environmental indicators, for finance, for banking, for indigenous soil health assessment, for all sorts of different reasons that we didn't really think about beforehand.